What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can install Kali Linux operating system on macOS using the VirtualBox. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. So guys, here you can see my Mac screen. Right now I'm using macOS Catalina. So to install the Kali Linux on your macOS, you need to download the VirtualBox extension pack, and the Kali Linux VirtualBox file. So to download it, open up your browser, then visit to google.com. Then on Google, search for VirtualBox, and from here go to downloads. And guys, if you have latest Mac operating system with ARM processor M1 M2 chip, then you can download the latest one, the VirtualBox 7.0. But if you use old macOS like Catalina, then you have to download this version 6.1.2. Go to this link, and from here you need to download the VirtualBox 6.1.50. Here you can see you have to click on this macOS/Intel host. Then scroll down and click on extension pack to download the VirtualBox extension pack. Then take another tab. Again visit to google.com, then search for Kali Linux. Then go to this website kali.org, click on download, click on virtual machine image. Then from here download this VirtualBox file. Click on this icon and it should start downloading the Kali Linux virtual machine VirtualBox file. I had already downloaded all of them, so I'm not going to download it again. Now if I open my downloads folder, here you can see we have three files: VirtualBox DMG file, Oracle VirtualBox extension pack, and the Kali Linux virtual image. Now first what you need to do, you have to install the VirtualBox. So click on VirtualBox DMG file and open it. Then you will get this type of VirtualBox pop-up. Double click on virtualbox.pkg file and it should start the installer. Click on continue, continue, install, then give your password, then click on install software, and it should start installing the VirtualBox on your macOS. It's gonna take some time, so you have to wait until the installation has been completed. Okay, so here guys you can see installation was successful. Now click on close. If you want to keep the VirtualBox DMG file, click on keep or click on move to bin. And after that, click on Launchpad and open up the VirtualBox. Here you can see the VirtualBox. After that, you have to install or add the VirtualBox extension pack. So right click on it, click on open with, then select virtualbox.app. Then click on install, then scroll down and click on I agree. Then give your password, then click on OK. Here you can see the VirtualBox extension pack has been installed also. Okay, now we don't need these two files. I can move them to bin. Then after that, you need the Kali Linux VirtualBox zip file. You have to extract it, then you will get this Kali Linux folder. And into this folder, you will get two of these files. Now what you can do, you can open directly this file using Open with VM Starter app, or I will suggest you to copy this file from here, go to your home directory and create a new folder and name it VirtualBox VMS. Then open up this folder and paste that Kali Linux file into this folder. Now you can close this VirtualBox software. Now go into this VirtualBox image file, select this VBox file, right click on it, then go to Open with VM Starter app. And it will import the Kali Linux virtual machine into your VirtualBox. Now I am going to select and change the network setting from NAT to bridge. So here I am going to click on setting, then network, then I am going to select the network adapter to bridge. Also I am going to click on system and increase the RAM 4 GB. Then click on OK. Now click on Start. And here you can see our Kali Linux VirtualBox has been started. Now log in with the default credentials. Username is Kali, password also Kali. Then click on Login. And guys, here you can see our Kali Linux machine is now running into this VirtualBox. So guys, like this, you can easily install Kali Linux into your macOS using the VirtualBox. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil. You are watching SSTec tutorial and I'm signing out.